how to add money on Coinomi. Deposit your money in Coinomi wallet. If you would like to deposit your money on Coinomi wallet, it is actually quite very simple. So you can simply deposit money or funds to your Coinomi wallet whenever you're trying to buy a cryptocurrency. So make sure you tap the plus icon and add the crypto that you want to your favorites. Simply select the crypto that you want to buy. Now simply tap on this buy option right here. Now you can see this option that says buy Bitcoin with credit card. As you can see, tap on this buy Bitcoin with credit card and hit the agree button. Now over here you have to simply enter the amount that you're willing to spend, and then you will get in return that much amount of Bitcoin in this case. And once you've done that, it will fetch the best price for you. Now here you can select your credit card or whatever else as your recommended payment method. Tap on the buy BTC option. It will connect me to another service provider, and once I've done that and I purchase it, I'll be able to buy crypto along with the funds that I have added or deposited to my account. That's all it takes for me to add money on Coinomi. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.